Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs and a good deal, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2011 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, FWD, mirror memory, remote trunk release, cruise control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.